This Sandstorm post-process shader has been created in Unreal Engine 4. The shader is interactive through exposed material parameters, which allow the developer to modify various properties. The clear color allows the user to select the blank color of the clear zones in the storm, while the dense color allows the user to select the blank color of the thick zones. The density controls the quantity of sun in the air, while the height controls the height the sun reaches. The clear near value allows the user to choose between having clear visibility near the camera or not. The clear hardness allows the user to control the gradient if clear near is true. The clear distance controls the radius of the clear zone. The noise parameter controls the pattern in the storm. The speed X and Y control the speed of the storm. The world position divisor controls the texture size.